In a world racing toward full automation, businesses face a defining challenge: how to achieve uncompromising efficiency. The answer lies in robust, reliable integrated control systems. Founded in 2017, FAS Electronic stands at the forefront of industrial automation. With 8 years of focused innovation, we've grown into a national high-tech leader with 20,000 plus square meters facilities across Fuzhou and Suzhou. Supported by a 300 plus team of automation specialists, our self-developed solutions, industrial communication, pneumatic control, connectivity technology, cable management and sensors, empower critical operations in automotive, lithium-ion battery, life sciences, semiconductor and 3C industries. Our operational network centers on dual hubs, R&D and manufacturing headquarters in Fuzhou, and a production warehousing complex in Kangshan, complemented by 20-plus direct offices and 80-plus dealer partners worldwide. We deliver responsive, specialized support wherever our clients operate. Our dedicated R&D team works from state-of-the-art laboratories, equipped with advanced simulation tools for full parameter testing, paired with our cutting-edge automated production facilities. Agile supply chain from concept development to on-time delivery. Our commitment to excellence is validated through numerous patents, software copyrights and certifications including ISO, CE, and UL, cementing our reputation as a trusted automation advisor. At FAS Electronic, our mission remains clear: innovate to advance global smart manufacturing, perform to deliver lasting customer value. We spare no effort on technological advancements and product refinement to accelerate industrial automation. Join us in shaping the future. Together, we will make better factory automation solutions.